Yeah, man, this is magic. It is all in one now. But look at this. Look at this. It's in two. See what I'm saying? It's all about my slingshot. Stick around to see what's coming next.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Welcome back to another episode of Jamaican Farmers Hut. In this video, it's all about a slingshot. I'm going to make a slingshot because when I am at home or went to the plantation, there's a lot of birds. You know what I mean? I have to make a slingshot, but we call it catapult here. As you can see, yeah, I buy this piece of elastic. We call it push cut here in Jamaica. As you can see, it is very round. So I cut it in two to get the two sides of the slingshot, the catapult. So my viewers and my subscribers, stick around to see how I make the catapult, alright? And how it works. Yes, my viewers, it's all about a catapult, a slingshot, but here in Jamaica, we call it catapult. Alright, you hear the name? Catapult. Yeah. When it comes to making a catapult, you need a stick. You need a stick. You need a stick and you need a straight stick. And you need it in guava wood. You know what I mean? So, right now, I have to go to the bush, the hills. See if I can find a straight stick for my catapult, my slingshot here. And as you can hear, some bird making noise in the background, alright. This is my elastic. We call it push cut. We call this push cut here. We call it push cut. I have my two pieces of elastic here. So I need a stick. I have to go to the bush to look a stick. Alright. Over here. This is going to make something for the slingshot. You know the thing that you put the stone in to hold the stone into it and to fire it? Yeah. We call this the basil. Yeah. So we need a piece of leatherette. Something leatherette like this. So the easiest way to get a basil is to cut up a shoes. You know what I mean? So make sure so the shoes they hold, you know. Yeah? And you cut it up. Alright. If not, this is a gloves. As you can see, a whole tear up gloves. Yeah. Most of them use leather. Have leather. Leather make them. So I cut the leather off it. I cut this off it. Alright. Inside here, it have a cushion. This cushion here. So I'm gonna cut some stripe out of this. Because before you band this and the tick and hand the basil, the end of the basil don't cut out as yet. Yeah, we call it the catapult basil. Don't cut it out yet. So I'm gonna shape it out. And when I shape it out, it's going to look like a basil, alright? So it's going to tie on the end, the two on the end of this. Yeah, like this. So this is, we call this time. This is the bicycle tube. Yeah, but we call it time. So we're going to cut it very thin with the scissors. And have it to wrap this end and this end. And then down here is going to wrap on the stick. But you have to make sure the two ends is the same length. Or else, alright, down here where it go on the stick, you're going to do the same thing. Cut a piece of splice. Wrap around it before you wrap it on the stick. And the catapult tick. You understand? Well, most of the time I always make them out of metal, but right now I can't find my welding rod, so I'm not gonna make any out of metal now. I'm gonna look a stick. So yes. So have to find the stick. And then wrap this on. So I'm gonna look the stick and let you guys see what I'm talking about. Yeah man, in this video it's all about my slingshot stick. You know what I mean? My slingshot, my catapult stick. Inside the wilderness right now, going to look a catapult stick for my slingshot, to make my slingshot. So stick around, stick and stay to see the making of the slingshot. Alright? It's all about bird hunting. Stick up, don't move. Alright, my viewers, you don't know, it's all about catapult tick. You have to make sure so the tick's straight. Alright. It's like this one now. No, we're not going to use that because one side bigger than one side. Alright? We need a straight tick with even. Look at this one here. It not set good. Alright, in Jamaican terms. We are going to search some more guava tree. Yeah. Whoa. How is this one? No. Not tan good neither. Yeah man, a whole heap of guava tree. Happy find one. Yeah, my viewers. All these are guava tree. Yeah. Down here is very cool. Alright. I showed down here in the previous video. Most can find a guava stick. Yeah, from a slingshot. My God. Whole heap of work in that, you know, my people, to find one stick, you know. Whole heap of work in that to find a stick, my viewers. Whoa. Wait, look. Look like you could have used, you know. Broke away this one from against it. Look like it could have used, but one side a little bit bigger than one side. Alright. We don't need stick like that. We don't need stick like that. We need a straight stick. That means when we draw the elastic and Lego, it hit the bird, you know? Stick around. I'm still hunting. Still hunting, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. I buck up on a stick here. Buck up on a stick here, my viewers. Clear the way. You don't look too bad, you know? You don't look too bad. Don't look too bad at all. I'm going to buck up on the next one over here, so. Buck up on the next one over here, so my viewers. Buck up on the next one over here, so. Buck up on the next one over here, so my viewers. This don't look too bad neither. Don't know if I'm going to see any more, but I'm going to cut this one. Yeah. This is my chopper. If you notice, my name is on it. If you look very carefully, you will see my name on it. Ever Slick Chopper. Yeah, me make it. Me make it. It is a saw blade, alright? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I love this one. I don't know if me go find a better one, so me now leave this one here. You know what I mean? Yeah. No, I'll leave this one. Yes, I. Yes, I. You know, look so pretty, but we now leave it. You know, look so pretty. You know, look so 100, but me now leave it. You know, look so 100, me now leave it. Should have cut the next one too, you know. Then cut the next one too. Should have cut this one too. Alright, take it off from here first. Alright. Yeah, man. Alright. This is one. This is one. Not too bad. Not too bad. Leave it right in the pass here. That you can't pass them when I come back. Alright. They're on the hunt again, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. I'm going to show you one stick. Nice stick, you know, but it's too wide. Yeah, man. Our legs them open out too much. Nice, you know. Too wide. Too wide. Would have to dry it in and use a piece of wire to band it. Alright. We're on the hunt again. We're inside the wilderness. I find two already, you know, but I need to find a next one. I need to have a third option, you know. So, still a search. Yeah, as you can see right around me. Wilderness. Still a search. Yeah, my viewers, I think this can make the third option. You think you can make it third option? Or it too wide? Don't know yet. I'm going to continue search. Alright, my viewers. I have 3 sticks here and I have 2 around the other side. I have 3 here. So I have a lot to choose from. But I'm inside here and I see a next one. Because you know what? I like when the stick is very wide and I pull it together and use a piece of wire and band it and keep it together banded. Alright? So I'm gonna cut this one. One thing doing on my viewers. Me into a wilderness here. Look, I'm inside of a wilderness here. The mountain is right around. But you know what I used to mark myself? Yeah, those big tree over there. I think about 4 big tree over there. I use them to mark myself and I leave 2 of the catapult tick underneath there. So that is what I used to mark where I'm coming from. So I'm gonna go straight back there. Alright. I have 4 stick here in my hand. Yes, 4 stick here. And I have 2 over there. So that is 6. So I can choose from 6. Yeah. Can choose 1 and then give somebody else who need a catapult stick. Alright. Yeah man, it's all about bird hunting. Stick and stay to see what's coming next. I'm gonna make the slingshot, alright? Alright, my viewers, these roads, these roads up ahead, you're not gonna have no clearance because these roads made by animals. Yeah, animals, because as you can see, I have to bend down to walk. So yes, this is where I leave my stick them. Yeah, my viewers. See it there? See it there? We give you the view of them. Give you the view of them, alright? This is one. Look like one side bigger than one side, look too bad, but it can straighten. This is the next one. Don't look too bad. Squeeze it together to get the looks. This is a wide. I love this wide one because I'm gonna squeeze it together. Let me show you what's going on. When I say squeeze together, a hole here. And you squeeze it. So what I'm saying? You squeeze it. But you can squeeze it and put it in the position you want. If you want it to come over here or you want this side to go over, you can set it anywhere you want it. And you put it over the fireside. Once it quail or put it into the sun, it's gonna be same just like that when you pull it out. Yeah, my viewers. Think I'm gonna leave this one. It not look good. We not use those catapult tick. I like when them look like this. Down here is very round. I don't like when it's straight like this. Think I'm gonna leave that one for now. Yeah, this one is not too bad. I'm gonna carry it. This one not too bad, but I like them 3 stick there. I'm gonna leave this one too, I'm gonna leave this one too. I'm gonna leave this one. If anything, we can come back for that. But I'll carry them 4 here. Alright? Them 4 here. Yeah. Yeah man, first thing first, make sure get the skin off. Make sure get the skin off. Yeah. This is what going on now. Why the reason I like these stick when them wide. Because you can draw them in. So you can draw it in, you can put it this way, or you can draw it back that side. You understand? So you can straighten it how you want it. You're gonna put a piece of wire across here. Put it down into the sun or put it over the fireside. And couple days, you pull off the wire, it is still just like this. You understand? Alright, my viewers. You see the bottom of the stick here? The best thing to cut it is the hacksaw. Alright? So yeah. Give it the length you want it. That's it, my viewers. the top of it also. But before I cut the top, I have to squeeze it up and tight with the wire. Stick and stay. See me here now? Yeah. Don't watch them little band up here. Me just band them, that's me no want the stick broke here. Through me bend it. So like how me bend it so, yeah. Put it into the sun, make it stay on the rooftop for about 2 days, or put it over the fire. You know, back in the days we used to cook on wood fire, so we just put it against the wood fire, over the wood fire, and that's it. And by the time the heat catch it and quail it, and you pull off the wire here, it's gonna stay same way, not gonna move. It's gonna stay in place. So you just cut it the length you want it, and you put on elastic, your catapult ready. So stick around to see the finishing after the slingshot. In the morning when the sun come up, yeah, the sun will reach it right here on the rooftop. Right here on the rooftop, the sun will take it. A couple of days, alright? Alright, them one here now. Me leave them one here for reservists. Yeah, reservists. So if anything, I may have a friend want one, can drop on one of them here. That one no look too bad. Can nice up. See? Alright, time to make the basil. Time to make the basil now for the catapult. That little thing that to put the stone in, to fire. Yeah? Yeah, man. So this is it. So you're gonna fold it like this. And then I'm gonna mark it and cut it out. So stick and stay to see what's going on. Yeah, man. Make sure you cut it straight, you know, because you want it to be straight. That's when you line up, make a aim, you don't bush. The basil, you know, cushion of the stick, where the stick is a stick and the stick cushion to put around them. You understand? So right now, time. So you don't want it. So you're gonna thin, long length you want it to tie the basil. This is where the stone. Yes, and the time you have to cut on the stick. So the shooting bird and you kind of get high and the time first, you can get a stick to use. We cut an extra tie and pan. We call, you know, that it can easily stretch. Alright. So like here. First one, we're gonna cut to use. Alright. So, for the slingshot next time. Alright. This is the first. Very strong. When you see one of the bird, the pot, all the powers you have in your height. Yeah. Oh, man. Yeah, man. Change of plan, my viewers. This piece of leather is not that strong. As you can see, just tie me a tight on and it bust. So, you know, put that aside. I'm going to use this piece of material there. Very strong. I don't want a piece of a broad basil. That is too broad. But it's also good to have a nice stone like that into it. But as you can see, I have some river stone here. I don't want more than that. Can't find a piece of leather, but I'm going to use that for now. Yeah, man. You don't know, it's all about my cup of coffee, you know? Yeah? Whoa, the sloop, they hot. Alright, my viewers. Yeah, what's going on now? I'm going to use this piece of material. This piece of material is a very strong piece of material. So I'm going to use this. Yeah. When tying the basil, make sure you don't twist it too much. Because if you twist it, when you finish tie, it's going to twist. So you don't twist it too much when tying it. You start off on a slack pace. And then after you tighten it. You know? Alright, my viewers, as you can see, the wire is off the stick and the stick is still in place. Alright, so this is how we do it. Put it in the sun for a couple days, yeah, get it to quail and get it to stay in one accord. Alright, yeah man. Yeah, my viewers, as you can see, the stick is here, and as you can see, the wire is off. Alright, and the stick is still in place. This is how we do it, you know. After we just cut it green, yeah, we wrap the wire around it, put it into the sun, put it on the rooftop for a couple days, and that's it. So it is time for me now to cut here and cut here to tie the elastic on it. Stick around. Yeah. Alright, it's all about time to cut some more time for the wrapping of the elastic now on the stick. But first, you cushion the elastic first before you put it on the stick. Because you don't want the stick to continue to rub and rub, you know. So you cushion the elastic. You wrap this around the elastic before you tie it on. Alright? Stick around. So you wrap on the cushion. Yeah, wrap on the cushion. This is the stick. You know, you're gonna cut here a little to get it flat for the elastic to go there. So, don't miss out. Don't miss out, my viewers. You're going right there. So for the first wrap, you're not gonna wrap that tight because you don't want the first wrap to squeeze the elastic. You know? Yeah. So you don't go too tight on it. Give it a little room to play around. By going down, you're getting tighter and tighter. Yep. Yeah, man. And make sure when you're wrapping the elastic, you don't leave out no end where you can see the stick. Yeah, just wrap it finely. Come right down the line. Anywhere the elastic end, that's it. Because it is good to wrap the whole stick with the elastic. You know what I mean? Yeah. Reach to the end. So you're gonna catch the edges. Yep. Alright. Going for the next side now. You have to make sure you have the right length. You have the same length. So you're gonna put the two of them together. Make sure you have the same length. Yeah. And then wrap on your cushion. Yeah. Wrap your cushion on. Alright, my viewers, you don't know. The slingshot ready. Time to test it. So I'm going to test it now. But don't know if I'm gonna see a bird at this time to test it. But I'm gonna make a shoot. So stick around. See what's going on. Alright? Shoot. So I test the slingshot. It'll work. So I say, yes, my viewers. So hopefully when I go into the forest, can take some more just like this. Yeah, man. For real, my viewers. See there? Yeah, man. Bird, you know? So we do it, you know? So we do it. See? Alright. When you fire a stone out of it, you know, you must make sure so you can seal it back a next stone fast and quick. Because sometimes when you fire the first stone, the bird no move. So make sure so you can seal it back a next one quick inside of the chamber, you know. Yeah? And when you put it in, you and then you go take him up. Yeah, man. This when you go draw it, you have to yeah. Put in the strength upon it. See, it's all about slingshot. Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Peace. I'm out of here. It's time for bird hunting.